Okay, so I'm gonna make this one and this one in the microwave. The ones I'm gonna show you guys. So you take out the box, take the plastic off, put this in for 5 minutes. Okay? And then so you just pretty much put it in for 5 minutes. Make sure the plastic is off. Okay. And then I'm gonna put these up. So too. We're gonna have 4 bowls. My husband and I. So I'm gonna put the boxes in the trail. And then we put these on bread with the sauce that comes in it, okay? So how you do this, we do the oven, okay? Pre for 375 stop. So we pre for that. So I can use one pan for small pan for this one. So there's the about now. Both these, okay. Both these. So we just got back from the store. The reason I got 3 spoons, which is one is actually what I'm going to do. The second, so one, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put these in the oven, okay? Now I'm gonna use open, okay? So then open this, and then and dump it right in. Look over, guys. It kind of looks like soup. Yeah, it looks like soup to me. Yeah, in the fridge. I was explaining to my husband the dip kind of looked like soup. But he don't want to let it set. We always put our donuts into the fridge. So now is this. So I'm just about to get this bowl out. I'll show you how to do it. Okay. And then open it up. Go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So bring this over here. And this other one right in. So that's what it looks like. But you take this out, kind of like pour into the bowl that it comes with. Okay. And then you kind of mix it up. Okay. Don't burn yourself like I just said. Okay. And then kind of like mix up, see how I'm doing a little bit, how you, I don't want to make it fall. So that's how you do it. Hopefully you get those your local store if you have it, okay? Otherwise, have a good day.